Hello, lovely people. Today we're going to learn declension kur, which means where. Before we learn this declension, I would strongly advise to make sure that you know all the words about the town which was added in the link. First of all, it's first to get a grip what it is declension and what to do with it. That's why I'm doing each declension separately. Today we're going to learn an easiest declension, which is attached to question kur, and kur is where, and this declension is called vietininkas, but you do not need this long and complicated name. That's what I'm not even showing you. Yes, I want you to learn the most practical and easiest way to learn Lithuanian, and the declension, which is with question kur, means where, and kas means what. When do we use it? Let's talk about kas first, because everything you have learned till now, it will be in the first and main declension kas connected, yeah? So Vilnius yra Lietuvos sostinė. Vilnius is capital of Lithuania. Aš gyvenu Vilniuje. Aš gyvenu Vilniuje. I live in Vilnius. Another example. Kas parduotuvė? Parduotuvė means the shop. So the shop is closed. Kur parduotuvėje? If you can see, ending is changing. Parduotuvėje nėra pieno. We know that pienas is milk. Nėra is opposite of yra. There is no milk in the shop. There's no milk in the shop. Parduotuvėje. We use this declension when we want to say that something is inside of something or on something, like on the train. This declension has some endings. So if word ends in as parkas, we need to remove ending as and change into a. Parke. Parkas means park. Parke is in the park. If word ends in e, kaip kavinė, we just need to add two letters ja to make it inside. We know that kavinė is coffee shop. Kavinėje is inside the coffee shop, in the coffee shop. It ends in a. We just need to remove a and change it into oje. Lietuva is Lithuania. Lietuvoje, in Lithuania. Yeah? I live in Lithuania. Aš gyvenu Lietuvoje. If ends in is, kaip traukinys, train, we need to change it into ija, traukinyje, which will be on the train. Or if it's end in us, turgus, we need to change us into uja, turguja. I hope it makes a little bit sense. As an exercise, please go through all these words which are in kas, aikštė, bankas, centras, and so on, which is attached to the lesson, and divide them into these groups and put underneath the English version. Parkas, I separated the ending to make it easier, so we remove as and change parke, in the park. Yeah? Next word, we take aikštė, will end in e, so we'll put aikštė here. Aikštė means square, and on the square will be aikštėje. Yeah, so we're just changing into a. I hope it makes sense. Like I said, it's very easy declension, and I'm trying to teach it as easy way as possible. All the best, thumbs up, and good luck.